Alrighty then, carpet shredder fans. We haven't seen a 10-cycle carpet shredder test in quite some time. So I have great expectations for this machine on the left, this Whole House Elite Hoover, and its really stiff brush roll. But on the right, it has a aftermarket brush roll that I think has some fairly soft bristles. So I don't really know how much it's going to pick up. But let's take a closer look at these brush rolls before we do the test. Here on the Windtunnel 2, the bristles are, I guess, medium long and very stiff, definitely stiff. And that's a fairly aggressive helix brush roll pattern. This is a much less aggressive helix brush roll pattern, as you can see right here. The bristles are medium long, but they are really soft. I mean, wow, are they soft. Stiff, soft. How about we start out with the Dirt Devil on the right? And as a reminder, as you've seen in many other previous videos, there is a piece of yellow foam stuck up in there in order to raise the nozzle. And the reason why I have to do that is because if I don't have that piece in there with 101 CFM, that nozzle just clamps right down to my medium pile carpet and you just can't move it. So I don't really have much of a choice. Well, let's get you in a lot closer. Almost impossible to keep this completely clean. We'll see how much extraneous stuff we have. I'm sure there's going to be some. There's some carpet fibers that are still stuck up bottom of the bin. All right, so that gets all the fibrous material. Now we'll just separate that. As best we can. All right. So we have that much. And 0.06. By the way, I have run this experiment now twice, and I got the same result, 0.05. So, well, you get the idea, 0.05, 0.06. So what it means is that this machine definitely has some agitation, but it really isn't all that harsh. All right, so let's move on to the Hoover Windtunnel 2. Yeah, we got some pickup in there, all right. Let me get you in a lot closer now. Nice little ball of stuff right there. There might be something else in there too. I'll have to poke around a little bit. Let's see, anything else stuck up? The cyclones? No, I think I got everything. All right. Oh, there's still some in the bin there. Electrostatically stuck to the sides. All right. Here we go. Separate. Doesn't seem like much, but we'll have to see what it weighs. Whoop. Slides around pretty easy. All right. Almost there. Okay, here we go. Clunk. Hey, it's a bit more than 0.06, isn't it? So I saw a 0.12 grams. Maybe it'll go back to 0.12. Maybe it'll stay at 0.11. Let's see. Kind of go and reset it. Okay, I'm going to call it at 0.12. So yes, this definitely has more aggressiveness than the Dirt Devil does. But you know what? 0.12, that's not as bad as what I thought. I thought maybe it'd be a little bit more than that. Wow. So it definitely is more than the Dirt Devil, but it's not as much as what I thought it was going to be. I really thought it was going to be a little bit higher. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.